Right, we're just going to apply our knowledge of the vector equation of a line to a question. So we're going to find the vector equation of a line joining the points -2, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 4. And if we remember, if we look at the origin and look at our line, let's call our line L1 for example, then the things we need is to find a vector that gets us from the origin to the line, and also we need to find some kind of direction vector in the line. In the past we've called these A and B. So our vector equation takes on the form of A, how we get to the line, plus some parameter lots of B, the direction vector. So let's find our direction vector first, and we find that by going from one point to another, and we can do this just by subtracting the position vectors of those 2 points. So the direction vector is equal to 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 3, and we do 3 minus 2 gives us 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, and that gives us our direction vector. And we know one point in the line is 3, 2, 4, or we could use -2, 2, 3. So our line L1 is given by the position vector R is, well, I'm going to use 3, 2, 4 to get me to the line, plus lambda lots of 5, 0, 1 to get to any other point on the line. Now, one thing to remember is R is equivalent to X, Y, Z, the position of any point on the line. So when you're doing equations and you want to find out the X, Y, and the Z, then you realize the top row gives you the X, the middle row gives you the Y, and the bottom row gives you the Z. For example, if lambda equals 1, then R will equal 3 plus 1 lot of 5, which is going to be 8, 2 plus 1 lot of 0, which is 2, and 4 plus 1 lot of 1, which is 5. So there's the position vector when lambda's 1, and the coordinates of that point is 8, 2, 5 when lambda's 1. Another type of question might be to find a equation of a line that's parallel to this line that happens to go through the point 1, 1, 1. Well, we've got most information. If it's parallel, it'll have the same direction vector. So parallel lines have the same direction vector. So therefore, we just need to get to the line, and we can use the position of this point that it goes through. So R, if we call this L2, the line that's parallel to this and through the point 1, 1, 1. Okay, use a different parameter. So that should be a plus. Always use a different parameter when writing a different equation of a line. Never use the same parameter in all your workings. Make sure each line has a different parameter dealing with it, otherwise you will have mistakes later on in your questions. So there you go, how to find the equation of a line. Remember, find a point, way of getting from the origin to the line, and find the direction vector, and it's as simple as that.